Hi, today we are preparing lemon rice with foxtail millet. Soak 1 glass of foxtail millet for 6 to 8 hours. Use the millet soaked water to prepare millet rice. Now add the previously soaked millet to the bowl and cook it. Now our millet rice is ready. To the Put oil in another vessel. Heat it. Put mustard seeds, chana dal and groundnut seeds. Add turmeric. Now add smashed green chilies. Now add curry leaves. Then add onions, fry it till color becomes red. Add salt for taste. Now add grated coconut powder. Lightly roast them. Now add finely chopped coriander leaves. Finally add lemon water. Then mix the millet rice